Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix vibration not working after update iOS 17 on any iPhone. So how to fix this problem? So I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how can fix this problem? So you have first of all, first solution you have force restart your iPhone. So you all know, so how can fix the restart the iPhone? So volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed. And then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restarted. Then other solution, you have disable vibration for new mail. So how to disable vibration? So you have open the setting, and then you have click on sound haptics, and then you have click on new mail. Scroll up, then you have click on new mail, then you have click on vibration, and then you have scroll up, then you have click on default. I have already non-default, then you have click on non-default, and other option select, then you have select on non-default. And then other solution, you have install app, and then you have all app update. So you have how can update from all app, then you have open the app store, then you have click on uh, id icon, then you have scroll up, then you have check update all, then you have click on update all, then all app update from your device, and then your problem will be fixed. Update all app. And then other solution, you have check for iOS update, then you have open the setting, and then you have click on general, and then you have click on software update, and then check update iOS version, then available on your iPhone, then you have update iOS version. And then other solution, you have last solution, you have reset your iPhone all setting, then you have open the again setting, and then click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset all setting, and iPhone given a passcode, and then you have taken the given take a iPhone passcode, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. Do not worry about this step, then you have only reset all setting only. Do not lose any data iPhone from photo or video, only reset setting, and then your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know if you have any problem. So please tell me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.